Huh?
Ready?
Yes. I'm ready. You gonna play me a song? All right. That was good. I know. Now you want to get down? Play me another song. No. I'm not going to turn them off. Those are the lights. Let's leave them on. Oh. No, I'm not going to turn them off. Lights. Really? You're getting your stick stuck. You're going to get it stuck. Can you get it out? Get it out. Can you get it out so you can hit drums? Yay!